I'm making a video to demonstrate this vintage Karl Griesbaum singing bird in cage. It's a vintage item dating to the 1950s. Wonderful cosmetic condition, fully serviced so it works as it should. Let's listen to a play. We're going to start off on the continuous function. Switch it to pause. That's the middle setting. All of these bird cages have a pause function. What that does is it prolongs the automaton action. Do a full 360. It is original, although the berries and the black forest mushroom have been restored. The bird sings with full voice, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Switch it back to continuous. It's a wonderful example. And then switch that to off. So in summary, a vintage Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage in outstanding vintage condition. Take care.